Hi, this is my Astra J 2014. The brake light is not working. I'll show you how to replace the bulb. First step, remove the cover, the plastic cover. And another two rubber covers, yeah? Two. So altogether we have 3 screws. 1, 2, and the third one here. I hope you can see, yeah, the third one. Once you remove the screws, you see I know here. Two. It's very easy. Yeah. This one is coming out. To get on the bulb, it's a clip here. Yeah. This one. Once you are here, to replace the bulb, just push and twist. And that's it, it's coming out. Yeah. I get a new one from Vauxhall. The code is 435. The new one, you put on place. Yeah, push and twist a bit. Then you put back on place like this. That's it, it's on place. For the screws, I use the 8mm, yeah. You can also use the screwdriver. 8mm or screwdriver. Now I'm going to put back on place. Yeah, I'm going to put everything back. You see, you have the connector. Plug it in here. It's on place. Then you put the 3 screws back. Yeah. So you have 3 screws here to put back. 1, 2, and the third one. Once you finish with the screws, one here, and the third one here, yeah. Put the plastic cover back. And the rubber covers. 1, 2, and the job is done.